New Year's official Constitution celebrations ended yesterday with the National Show Day celebrations. The celebrations has been inundated with many events occurring throughout the month, starting with the waka competition, boat fishing competition, Avasela Show Day last Saturday, canoe and raft races on Monday, and golf competitions, dance competition before the official celebrations of the flag racing and National Show Day. Private sector cocktail tonight, the Tohitohi Nukutukulea group on poetry and short stories, the water steering committee singing competition at 5 o'clock on Saturday, this Saturday coming, to continue with the Constitution celebrations, as well as the Mutalo Show Day. Not as many people joined in the flag racing celebrations though, but a good turnout at the National Show Day yesterday. Many public servants who has been working on the Constitution, organizing committees and volunteers were relieved that most of the official events are over.